Hello children, welcome to today's video session of Standard 8 Moral Science 18th lesson Gender Equality. Mutual harmony and understanding make a life success. Continuous frictions and disagreement often lead to disaster. Gender equality has always been a matter of great discussion and debate. It is an accepted fact that human beings are created by God. Thus, how can one of God's creations be superior or inferior than the other? The two genders, masculine and feminine, are like the two eyes of God. It is not possible that one of the eye is in any way better than the other. Even in human beings, it is necessary to have both the eyes working perfectly. The deteriorating conditions of one will certainly handicap him in some way. Similarly, equality and mutual respect between two genders is an unwritten law. God created this wonderful world so that all living creatures can live harmoniously and peacefully. Discord and unpleasant behavior towards each other will certainly rule God's plan for mankind. One day Simran was sitting with her father. She was thinking of the discussions in the class regarding gender equality. Suddenly she asked her father, "Dad, who is superior, a man or a woman?" Daddy looked at her and smiled. Then, pointing towards a picture of a cart in the painting hung on the wall, he said, "Look at that cart in that painting. It has destination and it is proceeding towards it. Now look at the two wheels. Can you tell me which of the two wheels is better?" Simran looked at the picture and said, "Both the wheels are the same." "Exactly," her father replied. "No one wheel of the cart is better than the other. Not only that, in order to ensure that the cart reaches its destination, both the wheels should be work in perfect coordination. If one of the wheels stops for a minute, can the other wheel pull the cart? Or if one of the wheels tries to go at a faster pace, the other will tumble off the road." Similarly, God has made man and woman to work in perfect harmony. No one gender should feel superior or inferior than the other. The feeling of equality is very necessary for human beings to ultimately reach their destination. Simran understood that equality among two genders is necessary ingredient for a successful life. Equal opportunity to both. When opportunity knocks at a door, it is not aware of the gender of the person. Each individual, whether girl or boy, man or woman, should try to make the most of the opportunities God has given. Gender should not hamper the growth of an individual. Only those who struggle can achieve success, whether it is a girl or a boy, does not have an effort on the work. Sometimes it is seen that children miss good opportunities to be successful simply because they think that being a particular gender they are not capable or simply should not pursue a job. This is absolutely a false notion. If a person likes to do a certain kind of a work and if he or she is getting the opportunity to do it, it is better to go ahead and try a hand at it. Equal work distribution. In the workplace or at home, we should all work as human beings and not confine ourselves to one specific task. It is often seen that the people are either exploited because they belong to a particular gender or they themselves take advantage of being to a particular gender and shrink all responsibility. This is cheating. If a man tries to avoid working in the kitchen simply because he is a man, or if a lady wastes her time or tries to wriggle out of all hard work in the office just because she is a lady, it is a bad way not only to that particular individual but also to the whole group or community. Mutual respect and understanding. It is important to emphasize the fact that God created human beings to live peacefully and in complete harmony. Continuous argument, frequent fight and efforts to undermine the other person will only lead to disrespect towards God. Mutual respect is necessary as understanding the other person's problem and trying to help in every way one can. Gender superiority or inferiority does not come in the picture. We are all human beings and we should behave in a civilized manner by broadening our outlook, changing all wrong perception and giving due respect to all individuals. This is our true respect to God. Thank you.